Introducing the Hero Mavrick 440, a bold twist on the Harley-Davidson X 440. Rev up your excitement as Hero MotoCorp, India's motorcycle manufacturing giant, unveils its latest masterpiece, the Hero Mavrick 440. Born from the same technical prowess as the Harley-Davidson X 440, this custom cruiser promises an exhilarating ride with a touch of Hero's distinctive style. Buckle up as we delve into the captivating details and features that make the Mavrick a true standout. The Genesis, Hero MotoCorp and the X 440 collaboration. Hero MotoCorp, renowned for being India's premier motorcycle manufacturer, embarked on a groundbreaking journey with Harley-Davidson. Together, they birthed the baby single-cylinder cruiser, the X 440. However, Hero had a grander vision, to take the same technical foundation and craft a unique model under its brand. The result? The much-anticipated Hero Mavrick 440. Power-packed performance. Underneath the Mavrick's sleek exterior lies a robust heart, a 440cc single-cylinder engine with a 79.6 mm bore and 88.4 mm stroke. Boasting a 9.65:1 compression ratio, single overhead camshaft distribution, and 2 valves, this powerhouse delivers a thrilling 27 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 36 Nm at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The slipper-equipped clutch, 6-speed gearbox, and chain final drive ensure an unforgettable riding experience. Unveiling the differences. While sharing the tubular steel frame and engine with the X 440, the Mavrick sets itself apart with some notable distinctions. Hero opted for larger tires, 110/70/17 at the front and 150/60/17 at the rear, enhancing both style and stability. Choose between spoked or alloy rims, which subtly alter the weight, ranging from 187 to 191 kg. Aesthetics that turn heads. The Mavrick takes a minimalist approach, offering fewer frills than its predecessor, the X 440. Yet, it dazzles with its clean lines, accentuated by state-of-the-art full LED lights. Whether you opt for spoked or alloy rims, the Mavrick exudes a captivating aura that's bound to leave onlookers in awe. The journey begins. April launch in India. Get ready to make a statement on the streets of India, as the Hero Mavrick 440 is set to hit the roads starting April. As for its European debut, the details are yet to unfold, adding an air of anticipation for motorcycle enthusiasts around the globe. In conclusion, the Hero Mavrick 440 emerges as a bold and distinctive cruiser, weaving together performance, style, and innovation. Stay tuned for an unforgettable ride that promises to redefine the standards of custom motorcycles. The streets are about to witness the birth of a new legend, the Hero Mavrick 440.